Welcome back to List Legends. Planning your next adventure and don't know where to go? I'm sharing 15 helpful tips on how to choose your next travel destination. These tips will help you narrow down your options, making sure your next trip is exciting and perfect for you. Let's get started. First things first, what do you want to get out of your trip? Are you looking for a relaxing beach getaway, an adventurous hiking expedition, or maybe a cultural deep dive into a city's history? Defining your travel goals will help you focus your search. If you're after relaxation, tropical destinations like Bali or the Maldives could be ideal. For adventure, think places like Peru, South Africa, or Iceland. Knowing your goals is the foundation of choosing the right destination. Your budget plays a huge role in where you can go. Some destinations are notoriously expensive, like Switzerland or Japan, while others, such as the Philippines, Mexico, or Eastern Europe, can offer more affordable travel experiences. It's important to consider flights, accommodations, and daily expenses. Pro tip: always leave a bit of room in your budget for unexpected costs or spontaneous activities. The season you travel in can make or break your trip. Visiting a beach destination during the rainy season might leave you disappointed. On the flip side, traveling during the off-season can save you money and let you avoid the crowds. For example, Southern Europe in the summer can be unbearably hot and packed, but in spring or autumn it's pleasant, far less crowded, and cheaper rates are available. Also, research seasonal events that happen in your destination of choice. If that's the main attraction, then it's best to go during that time. How long can you spend traveling? If you only have a week, you probably don't want to spend 20 hours flying to your destination. Consider shorter flights if you're on a time crunch. But if you have a longer vacation, take advantage of further, more remote locations. Destinations like Thailand, Australia, or New Zealand might be perfect for longer trips. If you have a longer vacation, you might want to consider traveling to multiple cities in that country to get the full experience. For shorter vacations, stick to the bigger cities with the main attractions. Here's an important one that people sometimes overlook: visa requirements. Some countries require visas that you have to apply for in advance, which could take time and money. For example, Americans traveling to Brazil need a visa, while many European countries in the Schengen area don't require one for short visits. Make sure you're aware of these requirements before you book. While no place is entirely without risk, it's worth considering your personal safety comfort level. Some travelers feel more secure in well-developed areas like Western Europe, while others enjoy venturing off the beaten path. Research current political climates and health risks in potential destinations. Websites like the US State Department or the UK's Foreign Office can provide up-to-date safety information. Do you speak the local language? How hard will it be to communicate with others? While English is widely spoken in many places, it might not be in more remote areas or less touristy countries. If you're up for a challenge, it's great to immerse yourself in a culture where English isn't as prevalent. But if language barriers stress you out, stick to destinations where you'll feel comfortable communicating. Do you have a passion for art, history, or food? Countries like Italy, Japan, and Morocco offer unique cultural traditions, vibrant festivals, diverse architecture, and deep-rooted histories that can enrich your trip beyond typical sightseeing. History buffs might love exploring the ancient ruins of Greece or Rome, while foodies could find themselves in culinary heaven in places like Italy, Japan, or Thailand. A destination that appeals to your passions will make your trip much more enriching. How easy is it to get around once you arrive? In places like Japan or most European countries, public transportation is reliable and extensive, making it easy to explore. On the other hand, some remote destinations might require renting a car or navigating limited transportation options. Make sure you're comfortable with how you'll be getting around. When choosing your next travel destination, don't overlook local events and festivals. These celebrations offer a fantastic way to experience the heart and soul of a place. Whether it's the vibrant colors of Holi in India, the famous Carnival in Brazil, or the serene Lantern Festival in Thailand, participating in local festivals allows you to see a country in its most authentic light. Research ahead to see if your destination hosts any unique events during your trip. Attending these festivities not only enriches your cultural experience, but also provides a chance to connect with locals, taste traditional foods, and witness time-honored customs firsthand. Currency exchange rates can have a huge impact on your travel budget. If you're traveling from the US or UK, countries where your currency is stronger, like Vietnam, Mexico, or South Africa, can make your trip much more affordable. Your money might go further in countries with a lower cost of living like India, China, or Turkey. Be mindful, exchange rates can fluctuate, so it's worth monitoring them before your trip. Use apps like XE or Google Currency to keep track of real-time rates and avoid exchanging money at airports, where rates tend to be less favorable. Are you planning to travel solo, with your partner and children, or with a group of friends? Some destinations are better suited for solo travelers, while others are more fun with friends. Cities like Tokyo or Barcelona are solo traveler-friendly, but destinations like Iceland or a safari in Africa might be better with a group to share the experience. If you're traveling with your children, look into kid-friendly destinations like Dubai, Florida, or Mexico. These days, many travelers get inspiration from Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Following travel influencers can give you a real look into a destination that guidebooks might not show. Use social media to read and watch reviews of your potential destination of choice. Just be sure to cross-reference what you see. Sometimes, social media can paint an overly glamorous picture of certain spots. Always consider your health needs and check if travel insurance is necessary, especially for more adventurous destinations. If you're heading to remote places, check for medical facilities in the area and always be up to date on required vaccines. This can be crucial for peace of mind while traveling. Lastly, but very importantly, if you or someone you're traveling with has mobility challenges, look into how accessible your potential destination is. Some cities like Copenhagen or Singapore are known for being accessible to people with disabilities, while others might pose more challenges. Research how easy it is to navigate with different mobility needs, including the transportation system in that city, and how easy it is to get around. And there you have it, 15 tips to help you choose your next travel destination. Remember, every trip is a chance to explore, learn, and grow. So where's your next adventure? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. See you in the next video. Happy travels.